Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chilltalk English. I'm Henry, and I'm really glad you're here today. If you had a long day, don't worry. We'll keep it calm and simple.
And I'm Emma. I'm happy you're with us too. Today is one of those episodes where you can just relax, listen, and copy our sentences. Easy English, real life topics.
Yes, no heavy grammar talk today, I promise. I'm not strong enough for that kind of pressure.
Same. We're doing something better. We're starting a friendly journey through real conversations you can use in daily life, at home, at school, at work, in shops, and even when you travel.
And the first topic is the one everyone needs, talking about yourself, because every conversation starts with, "Who are you?"
True. And honestly, that question can feel scary. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," many learners freeze.
I freeze too, and I'm a host. My brain becomes an empty room.
So let's build a simple pattern. Step 1, your name. Step 2, where you're from. Step 3, one small detail. That's it.
Here's a basic example. My name is Henry. I'm from the UK. I live in a small city.
Great. Now add one thing you like a hobby, food, or a small habit.
Okay, let me try again. My name is Henry. I'm from the UK. I like quiet mornings and hot tea.
That sounds very Henry. Calm, a little slow, and very warm. Now I'll do mine. My name is Emma. I'm from Australia. I love meeting new people and learning new ideas.
And Emma truly loves meeting people. She talks to strangers like they are old friends.
Because they could become friends. Okay, listeners, your turn. Say it with us. Keep it short.
Say this sentence and change the words. My name is, I'm from, I like.
Nice. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. Mistakes are not a wall. They are a door.
A door that sometimes hits you in the face, but you still walk through it.
Exactly. Now, after introductions, what's a common topic?
Daily routine, simple actions, simple verbs, and lots of practice.
Yes, daily routine English is powerful because you can use it every day. You can practice in your room. You don't need a partner.
Let's start with short sentences. I wake up at 7. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. Then I go out.
Perfect. Short is good. Now, Henry, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:45, and then I stay in bed for 10 minutes thinking about life.
Very honest. Then what?
Then I make tea. I check my messages. I get dressed. I leave the house.
Great. Now let's connect with then. Try it. I wake up at 6:45, then I make tea, then I check my messages.
And you can add feelings, like I feel tired or I feel excited.
Yes, feelings make your English sound human. Try this. I wake up early, but I feel sleepy.
I wake up early, but I feel sleepy. Then I drink tea and I feel better.
Lovely. Listeners, say one routine sentence out loud right now. Just one.
One sentence is enough. You are training your mouth and your confidence.
Now, let's make it fun with a new place. A place many people love.
A place with snacks.
A place with drinks.
A place with a long line.
A cafe or a small bakery. Today, we'll practice ordering food and drinks.
Imagine this. You walk into a bright little bakery. You smell bread and coffee. You smile because you're hungry.
And you start with a simple greeting. Hi, or good morning.
Then you order with a polite request. Can I have, please?
Let's do a mini conversation. Henry, you be the customer, I'll be the worker.
Okay, I'm ready, but my wallet is nervous.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, please. Can I have a cheese sandwich?
Of course. Is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. That's USD 750.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
That felt simple. Short lines, clear questions, friendly tone.
Exactly. And there are three key phrases here. Can I have, would you like, and for here or to go.
Listeners, repeat this line. Can I have a cup of tea, please?
And now this one. For here, please.
Good. Now you're ready for a real café moment. Even if you feel shy, you can do it.
Okay, next real-life moment. You're in a store and you see something you like.
Shopping, my favorite sport.
Today's skill is asking about price. The number one question is, how much is this?
Simple. How much is this?
And if it's far away, you can say, how much is that?
Let's practice a short store conversation. Emma, you're the shop assistant.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is this hoodie?
It's USD $35.
That's not too bad. Is it on sale today?
Nice phrase. Is it on sale? That's very useful.
And if the price is high, you can say, that's a little expensive.
Yes, and you can also ask, do you have a discount? But be friendly. Smile when you say it.
Because if you sound angry, people feel uncomfortable.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat these. How much is this? Is it on sale? Do you have a discount?
Great! Now you can shop in English without panic. Next situation, a modern one. Some people hate it. A phone call. Phone calls are hard because you can't see the face.
True. But we can use a pattern. First, say hello. Second, say your name. Third, say the reason.
Like this. Hello, this is Henry. I'm calling about...
Perfect. Let's do a simple call. You call a hair salon to ask about an appointment.
Oh no, my hair is already stressed. Okay, let's do it.
Good afternoon, Sunny Salon. How can I help you?
Hello, this is Henry. I'm calling to ask about an appointment.
Sure. What day would you like?
Tomorrow, if possible.
We have 3 p.m. available.
Great. 3 p.m. is perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
And if you don't understand, you can say, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
That sentence is magic. It's polite and it gives you time.
Listeners, repeat it. Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Great. Now let's travel because travel English is super practical.
Next stop, the airport. A place full of signs, lines, and fast speaking.
Yes, but we only need a few key sentences. At check-in, they may ask for your passport.
They might say, can I see your passport?
And you can answer, sure, here it is.
Then they can ask, do you have any bags to check?
You can say, yes, one bag, or no, just a backpack.
Let's role play. Emma, you're the staff. I'm the traveler who looks lost.
Good evening. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Great. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Window seat, please. I like looking at the clouds.
Same. Your gate is A12. Boarding starts at 8:10.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Notice the pattern. Question, short answer, polite words.
Exactly. And listeners, repeat 3 airport lines. Here it is. Window seat, please. What is my gate number?
Perfect. You sound ready to travel.
Okay, after travel, we return to normal life. Let's talk about something fun. Hobbies and free time.
This is a great topic for making friends.
Yes, because hobbies connect people fast. You can start with I like or I love,
For example, I like cooking. I love watching movies.
and you can add in my free time. Like, in my free time, I play basketball.
Emma, what do you like doing in your free time?
I love dancing at home. I'm not a professional, I'm just energetic. And I like taking photos of small things like coffee cups and flowers.
That's very Emma. I like reading simple books and going for quiet walks.
Listeners, repeat. I like blank. I love blank. In my free time, I blank.
Great. Now you can ask other people too. What do you like doing?
Perfect. Short, friendly, and natural.
Next topic, workplace small talk. Many learners need this for jobs, internships, and meetings.
Yes, and workplace English can be very simple. You don't need big words. You need polite words.
Morning lines include, "Good morning. How are you today? How's it going?"
And after the weekend, how was your weekend?
Let's do a mini office chat. Emma, you're my coworker.
Good morning, Henry. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Busy, but good. How's your day going so far?
It's okay. I have many emails. Too many emails.
I understand. If you need help, just tell me.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
That's it. Warm, simple, professional.
And when you leave, you can say, "Have a nice evening," or "See you tomorrow."
Listeners, repeat. How's your day going? If you need help, let me know. See you tomorrow.
Nice. Now, sometimes life is not perfect. Sometimes you feel sick.
So we need doctor English. It can feel scary, but we can keep it clear.
The goal is simple. Say what hurts, say how long, say how you feel.
Good phrases are, I don't feel well. I have a headache. My throat hurts.
Let's role play. Emma, you're the doctor. I'm the patient who regrets eating street food.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem?
Good morning. I don't feel well. I have a stomach ache.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you felt like this?
Since last night.
Okay, please drink water and get some rest. If it gets worse, come back.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
And if you need slower English, you can say, "Could you speak more slowly, please?"
Perfect. Listeners, repeat. I don't feel well. I have a headache. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Great. Now we finish with the easiest small talk topic in the world.
The weather.
Yes, weather English is everywhere. Bus stops, elevators, school hallways.
You can say, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's raining, it's windy.
And a common starter is, "Nice weather today, isn't it?"
Let's act it out. We meet outside.
"Hi, Emma. Nice weather today, isn't it?"
It really is. It's warm, but not too hot. Perfect for a walk.
I agree. Yesterday was windy, so today feels calm.
See? Small sentences, easy connection. You can also add feelings. I love rainy days. I don't like cold mornings.
I love sunny days because my mood feels better.
And I like rainy days because I can stay inside and watch a movie.
Listeners, repeat 5 weather words with us. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, hot.
Great job! Now let's connect everything in a short story. A fresh story, a new day.
Okay, I'm listening.
It's Monday morning. The sky is bright and blue. Henry wakes up, feels sleepy, and makes tea. He says, I wake up at 6:45. Then I make tea.
True story already.
Then he goes to a small bakery near his office. He smiles and says, "Can I have a latte, please?" The worker asks, "For here or to go?" Henry says, "For here, please."
And then I sit down and pretend I'm not checking my phone.
Then he walks past a store window. He sees a hoodie and asks, "How much is this?" The assistant says, "It's on sale today."
My favorite two words, on sale.
Then his coworker says, "Good morning, how's it going?" Henry says, "Busy, but okay." After work, Henry calls a salon and says, "Hello, this is Henry. I'm calling to ask about an appointment."
This day is productive. I like it.
And at the end, Henry texts a friend, "It's sunny today. Do you want to go for a walk?" Simple English, real life.
That's the goal. English is not just a school subject. It's a tool for your day.
Now, before we end, we want to share something honest. Learning English can feel slow.
Yes, sometimes you study and you think, why am I not fluent yet? I've felt that too.
Me too, but progress is often quiet. It's not a big jump, it's small steps.
Here are a few simple habits that help. Speak out loud every day, even for 1 minute.
Listen every day. A podcast, a short video, a song. Your ears learn faster than you think.
And be kind to yourself when you make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean you are trying, and trying is the only way forward.
Also, celebrate tiny wins. You ordered a drink in English? That's a win. You said hello to a coworker. That's a win.
Let's do a short reflection. Not too serious, just a moment.
Okay, listeners, think about the first time you spoke English. Maybe your voice was small.
Maybe you felt embarrassed. Maybe you forgot words, but you still tried.
That is courage, real courage.
And today you are here again. That means you didn't quit.
So here is a new daily message for you. Repeat after us.
Every sentence I practice makes me stronger.
Again, every sentence I practice makes me stronger.
Keep that line. Use it when you feel tired.
Now a short vocabulary spotlight. 3 useful phrases from today.
Phrase 1. How's it going? It means, how are you? It's friendly and common.
Phrase 2. For here or to go. It means, do you want to eat here or take it away?
Phrase 3. Could you repeat that, please? It means you want to hear the sentence again, slowly and clearly.
Simple phrases, big power.
Last thing, Henry. One encouragement line for our listeners.
Here's mine. Don't chase perfect English, chase clear communication.
And mine is, your English is allowed to be simple. Simple English can still be beautiful.
Thanks for spending this time with us on Chilltalk English.
Yes, thank you. Write one short sentence in the comments about your day. Just one.
And come back anytime you need calm practice and friendly voices.
See you next time.
Bye for now. Music fades.